Hey, what's up YouTube? So got home, got some free time after work, and I want to install the, what is it, American Adventure Lab relocation kit to remove the trailer plugs from here hanging down underneath the bumper to up here. Seems pretty straightforward. Tools required are the driver to remove this guy, and there's a template that it comes with so that you know exactly where to cut and drill holes for the plug. So let's get started. So the needed tools they said in the instructions are, let's see, you need you could use a 2-inch hole saw or a 2 1/8 inch hole saw. I have a 2 1/8 inch hole saw. And then a 1/8 and a 1/4 inch drill bit. I think the pilot holes you'll start with 1/8 inch, and then after that you'll complete it with a 1/4 inch. And then maybe a flathead or a pry tool just to get the plugs out of the way. So the kit comes with a really nice template. It says use the screw holes. Let's go with that. So this is definitely better than a cardboard or paper template. There's definitely no room for second guessing. So use a Sharpie to trace out template. Get my 1/8 inch. All right. All right, hopefully the neighbor's done mowing his yard. We'll drill the 4 mounting holes to a 1/4 inch. Okay. And now time for the hole saw. Okay. Then a straight blade to cut out from what you drew out earlier for the template. On their YouTube video, they just used a plastic Alpha similar to this. I've just had this since, I don't know, forever. It's been my favorite straight blade. It comes in very handy. Find something. All right, I just pressed in with some force and cut. Here's it. Now this mounts up there like so. With some provided nuts and bolts. Came in the package. So let me get the Allen wrench and wrenches I need for this. All right. I think I can get to it with a stubby 10 millimeter and just reach in here and tighten it all the way around, and a 4 millimeter Allen. So let's see, are there washers? Yes. Just gonna start all 4 by hand first. Let's see if it, oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I need to find black hardware to replace this. But this will do for now. All right, let me show you what needs to go, what needs to happen down here at the plug. But for now, I can actually just put my license plate back up. And we're good to go. Alright, so that's where we got to remove. So there's a metal clip at the top and a metal clip at the bottom that clips in. Let's see if I can show you. So the top one, you can kind of reach from inside, push down. Let's see. Push down and pull forward, and see it already pivots out and it's coming out. But you need to get that bottom clip to get the whole thing out. But I think you can just pry
up with a screwdriver. There you go. Something like that. And then there's a cable, plastic cable holder. Yeah, to pull and get some more movement. Now to unclip this. Let's see what needs to happen here. Okay. Alright, so this gray clip needs to come out. You press down on this tab and it slides out, and it makes it to where you can now push this tab and remove it. Right. There's also a plastic clip here that holds the cable in place. The frame, remove that so you have a little bit more freedom. Put the plug up here, and you're good. Put this in. This slides back in. Oops. There you go. Let's hammer it in there to get it to lock into place. There. Just had to put my purse down. Alright, let me use a supplied zip tie and see if there's anything to clean up. I'm just zip tying it out the way. It won't interfere with the spare tire. I think you can get a 35 in here without hitting anything. You might hit the front suspension. Oh, you might be able to squeeze a 35 in here. We'll see. Alright, so the only thing left is removing this guy. But it's in the afternoon. I don't want to pull out the grinder and sawzall and hack away at a bunch of this. So I'm gonna wait till the weekend. We'll just cut this off, pull out the grinder and grind away the welds, and then spray paint it all black so it blends in and is unnoticeable. But that's pretty much the install for that. Now this is the American Adventure Lab plug relocation kit for the Ford Ranger. Super easy, you guys saw. Took less than 30 minutes. Minimal tools, flathead screwdriver. I decided on this over the socket to remove that. I was going to get more use out of this so I could pry on the bottom of this clip to get it out. So I just used a flathead. I used a shorty 10 millimeter, but in theory you have access behind it. You can just grab a 10 millimeter socket, a straight blade. I just happen to just have an Olfa. You need a 1/4 inch and an 1/8 inch drill bit, along with you can get away with a 2 inch hole saw, but they recommend a 2 1/8 inch hole saw. And a Sharpie, just so you can trace everything out. A drill, 4 millimeter Allen to do these guys, which I want to try to find some black hardware to replace that. But that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, informative, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good weekend.